Folks, just want to do a really quick video on this frequency counter. It's built by Fluke. It has a model number or ID number right here, but also seems to have a model number here. So, it's a Fluke 1004-C, or it's a Fluke 1988 digital frequency counter. The couple of segments here are kind of messed up on it, but when I'm able to work with it, it seems to be working fine. You get gate speeds here. This is very cool if you want to get down to the the nitty-gritty of a frequency. So I'll just 4652. You'll see the digits here a little bit strange on it. Victor Ocean 1, Mike Delta Sierra testing. 1 2 3 3 2 1. 1 2 3 3 2 1. So 146570. So the counter is working. I change here. So right now she's on 0.1. Victor Ocean 1, Mike Delta Sierra testing. 1 2 3 3 2 1. And we'll put her another one up to 1 second gate time. Victor Ocean 1, Mike Delta Sierra testing. 1 2 3 3 2 1. So she's 1.4. It's a very cool frequency counter. I owned this one years and years ago, and ended up trading it off for some kind of piece of equipment. I don't even remember anymore. And that was a long time ago. Must have been 12 years at least, maybe even longer than that. And traded this and a bunch of other stuff. And at the time, this frequency counter was not working properly. And it just so happened a little while ago, last week, we ended up with a lot of parts and stuff, and this frequency counter wasn't amongst it. At the time I owned it years ago, the counter just would not work properly. And tonight I decided I just took the cover off it, off the top and bottom, and I put some feet on it, rubber feet. So what I did, I actually took every single solder joint that was on the main board, as well as the sideboard over here. I resoldered every single solder joint that was in this thing. You got your main board that sits flat along the bottom, and then you have two vertical boards. One here that the display is on, sits here. Then you have another one here that the actual switch is on. And you got another vertical board back here, and transformer sits right here. And pretty much what I think is after going on, or did happen, over the years of flicking the switch back and forth, and the knob and whatnot, that the solder joints were getting weakened, or were weakened to a point that some of the connections were no longer reliable. So basically I just resoldered every single solder joint, and I took contact cleaner and cleaned the contacts on switches as well as on the controls. And so I used contact cleaner, electrical contact cleaner by Moto Master. It works fine. If you get a type contact cleaner, I suggest you get the type of contact cleaner that is alcohol based, basically, and it will evaporate after it's applied for the most part, so it leaves no oily residue. And this CD had to come down and frighten the bejesus out of me. Anyways, so yeah, I just want to show the frequency counter. It's an old Fluke 1988 digital counter. I went online. Spent a couple days, well, a couple hours I suppose, trying to dig up some information on this particular counter, and to my amazement there is zero. There's no information online about this Fluke 1980A digital counter. Very strange. I don't know if they made a lot of these or it's just a rarity. I have no idea. But if anybody out there knows where I can get a manual for this Fluke 1980A digital counter, or Fluke 1004-C, I'd love to hear from you in the comments below, and I'd like to see exactly how this thing works. It'd be nice. Nice, I know how it works, but you know, the owner's manual or operations manual is always nice to have with a piece of equipment. Anyway, folks, I'll say 7-3, all the best, and let's tomorrow morning I'm planning on digging back in on the TRC 457. It's supposed to be a rainy, wet day, so windy and rainy, so I'm going to spend the day or a couple hours working on that 457. Anyway, folks, all the best, and we'll see you tomorrow. Reno 63, out.